Oh, look at what we have here. What could it be? Oh, is it a book? Is it a pizza? I have no idea. Why don't we open it together and find out? It's like Christmas time. This is so cool. I didn't think I was going to be this excited, but I'm a little excited. Oh, hey, look at this. So convenient that the only thing on this table, the only thing on this table is an X-Acto knife. This is completely improvised and not staged at all. Okay, here we go. Let's see here. So this is already cut. All right, so I'm gonna cut this. There we go. And this other side, let's see here. It's like opening a Christmas present. Oh, let's see here. Okay, here we go. Getting close. Dun, 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 dun. Ooh, look at this. Spongy foam. Boing, boing, boing. Okay. And we take off the foam and, oh, a little letter. Okay, let's see here. Congratulations on your subscriber milestone. We are honored to take part in recognizing your achievement. Blah, 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 blah. Wow. Super cool. Oh, this was packaged and inspected by Rick. So, hey Rick, thank you so much. You did a great job. All right, and do you remember your first subscriber? It was probably my wife. I love you, honey. Okay, or your 1,000 subscriber. Well, I remember getting to 1,000. I spent 7 years trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, and it was impossible. We celebrated when I was at about 980. We thought, well, okay, we're not there yet, but we're going to get there someday. We made it to 1,000. And oh my gosh, I just looked at this for the first time. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. They put your Chameleon English, the name of the channel, on there. Presented for passing 100,000 subscribers. Oh my gosh, that is so cool. Okay, well, an unpackaging has to be, an unboxing has to be a complete unboxing. We have to take out all of the packaging. So let's take out the plastic. Okay, here comes it's in this nice thing. It's quite heavy, not so heavy that you don't want to put it on the wall, that it's gonna fall off, but okay, this is the real deal. Yeah, there's a good expression for you, the real deal. Oh, so cool. Oh, wow. Hey, do you want to see my wife filming this? Yeah, there's my wife behind the camera. Maybe we'll edit that out later, or maybe we won't. Wow, okay. Now, honey, angle it so that they can't see you this time. All right, well, there it goes. Now, recognize your team. Share the recognition by allowing your team to purchase a personalized creator. Oh, this is cool. So they give you a card. You can purchase, I assume, more of these buttons for your team to say thank you. Okay, and hey, you have to keep it dry. Please do not eat. Okay, any other surprises in here? No, cardboard, which we will recycle, of course. I didn't think I was going to be this excited about this prize, but I want to just thank all of you, all of those people out there who supported me, for all of your encouraging words, you know, the compliments, the keep going, we love what you're doing. Even when I was at 500, I can remember so many comments on my videos that just inspired me to keep going. And thank you to all of the criticism. Hey, don't do this, or careful, the lighting is terrible, or careful, you have something in your teeth. What are you doing, you stupid amateur? All of those comments, even the criticisms, I want to say thank you. Thank you very much for that, because they all helped me to get where I am now. It's just, it's been amazing. All of the support I've gotten from you. And so this prize, it's not for me. This is for everybody. This is for you too, and YouTube. It's from YouTube for you too. And yeah, I just want to say thank you. Thank you. From the bottom of my heart, I appreciate you so much, and I try to respond to all of your comments and help you. What I do is for you, to help you, to help you get better and better every day. So yeah, that's what this is about, and I appreciate the love that you give me and the support. Yeah. So thank you so much, and I will continue to make videos and to put my heart and soul and creativity into them and try to entertain you and build our community. And now the question is, where do I put it? Yeah, okay, I have to look for a piece of wall, maybe next to my Chameleon sign, maybe, I don't know, maybe above my bed. I can wake up every morning and stare at this. No, I won't put it there. But hey, here we go. Let's go find a good place for it. Okay, I'll see you on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, wherever. Bye-bye.